chance for Kaizer Chiefs with Modi. Taylor, Modi again. Gets away from Cross. Let's see upon playing this time dispossessed before he can work the ball to Magawana. Serino. Ele. Munyane. In from Serino. Silva! Super sub!
That ball set up very well on that right hand side. Look at Serino. The first touch he takes, he knows exactly where to play it. And Silva making sure that he gets away from his marker. He tracked back and then went forward to connect with that ball. And he made sure that he plays to the furthest post of Kit. You look how he rises up and switches his head to find that far post. But what a ball played by Serino. Right place where we always say, just play it in between the keeper and the defenders. And his takeoff made sure that he connects to that ball. Looking at the disappointed Kevin Hunt.
Now it's the second.
Just needs a striker who stays in the box. Not a roving striker like we saw earlier on in Gadaro. Somebody who will stay in the 18 area. I mean, you remember the likes of Sean Bartlett. He used to occupy that. Musonda used to occupy that.
Ball floated into the edge of the area and or rather deep into the area. Nodded back across. There's some muted appeals from the Durban City players. Junior feeling some of the tension. Ball. Munyane forward. The barren run in the Betway Premiership comes to an end for Kaizer Chiefs.